We need a new narrative around health. We need to think health rather than disease. We need to think about how do we ensure that we get resilient health systems rather than just thinking about when we have an emergency.
Even with the array of interests, different diseases, different risk factors, different kinds of organizations coming together, we all have a common interest in advancing the NCD agenda, and we all need to be on board with how we're going to get that done.
That NCD agenda cannot be complete if we are not able to break silos and work in integration. Government and civil society need to work in partnership to ensure this multi-sectoral action plan can be implemented.
We should be much more aware of the power of the civil society, the NGOs, and include them nationally, globally, but also the decision makers, the governments, other stakeholders should see that if we unite, then we really can reach much further than we have done so far.
We need to talk about agriculture, we need to talk about energy, we need to talk about education. Those are really the underlying factors and determinants that are basically putting people at risk or not.
There's a need to create a sense of urgency to address the issue that is missing.
We're aiming for heads of states and Minister of Finance, but also some of those other critical ministries or partners, sectors, agriculture, food, urban planners that are really going to have an impact whether we can have more healthy societies.
We need to reach ministers of finance, commerce, trade, those who control resources and perhaps don't immediately see it to be self-evident that this ought to be a priority.
We should encourage all regional national organizations to lead the activities, preparations before the next high-level meeting.
There are a lot of opportunities now also with other movements, especially the one around climate change. A lot of what is important for our climate is also important for people's health. So if we link those agendas, we can build on that momentum.
Now we are better equipped. We are sharing the knowledge and experience. We are ready to do it.